Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 E450 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This one does come with the AMG exterior line, which is going to give you 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, illuminated star up front, front and rear LED daytime running lights, a black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof, come around back, rear spoiler, E450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box for extra storage. This one does come with all-season floor mats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, natural grain black ash wood trim, ambient lighting, power windows, an LED logo which projects when you open the door. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Also comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. This one also includes the parking assistance package, which is going to give you an active parking assist and a surround view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This E450 has 5,907 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E450 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.